Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. In today's video, I'll show you how to change or delete your WhatsApp username. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Then open the setting or tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, here tap on the account. Now tap on the username. To change your username, tap edit, then tap change username and enter your new username. If it is available, tap save. Your WhatsApp username has now been changed. If you want to delete your username, tap on edit again, and this time tap on delete username. Confirm your choice and your username will be removed. That's it. Your WhatsApp username has been changed or deleted. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechChamps for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.